Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to increase font size on a phone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first you need to go to settings. After that you need to scroll down and click Control Center. After that, you need to scroll down and click on this plus. Go back to our main screen, lower curtain and click text button here. And now click all apps and now you can choose new font size. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.